Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove doors from a Ford Bronco. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T50 Torx bit, a ratchet, and a safe place to store your doors. Park your Bronco on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Remember to lower all windows completely before you begin, as this prevents potential damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy door removal experience. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the door's vital connections. Each door has an electrical connector. Gently press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Next, you'll find the door check strap, which limits how far the door opens. Unclip this strap from its mounting point. Take your time to ensure all wires and the strap are completely free, preventing any snags as you lift the door away. With the wires and straps disconnected, it's time to tackle the hinge bolts. Grab your T50 Torx bit and ratchet. There are 2 hinge bolts on each door. Carefully loosen and remove both bolts, making sure to keep them in a safe place. As you remove the final bolt, firmly support the door with both hands. These doors are heavier than they look, so be prepared to lift. Finally, it's time to lift the doors off your Bronco. With a firm grip, lift each door straight up and away from the hinge pins. For the larger front doors, it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you. Once removed, store your doors in a safe, padded area, perhaps using a door storage bag or a dedicated rack. This protects them from scratches and ensures they're ready for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.